Unveiling a future star. Understanding, star in the making. Hello everyone, in today's video, we're going to dive into a fascinating phrase that's often heard in various contexts. Star in the making. Whether it's sports, entertainment, or any field of talent, this expression has a special place. Let's explore what it means, where it comes from, and how you can use it in your everyday English. Stay tuned to uncover the potential hidden in this phrase. Star in the making refers to someone who shows a lot of potential or talent in a particular area but hasn't yet achieved widespread recognition or success. It's like spotting a gem before it's polished. The brilliance is there, but it hasn't been fully revealed to the world. This phrase can be applied to young athletes, emerging artists, or anyone who is on the verge of becoming very successful in their field. The phrase combines the word star, which signifies a person of exceptional talent or quality in their field, with in the making, suggesting that this individual is currently in the process of developing or being shaped into their full potential. It's a way of recognizing someone's future promise rather than their current status. Using star in the making in your conversation is a great way to talk about potential and promise. Here are a few examples. In sports commentary, this young athlete is truly a star in the making, showing remarkable skill on the field. In the arts, the gallery featured works by a star in the making, whose unique approach to painting is gaining attention. In everyday conversation, have you heard her sing? She's definitely a star in the making. Identifying a star in the making involves looking beyond current achievements to see the potential for greatness. It's about noticing the dedication, talent, and passion that suggests someone will go far in their endeavors. Understanding the phrase, star in the making, enriches our way of acknowledging and talking about potential talent around us. It's a reminder that greatness often starts with small beginnings and that today's emerging talents could be tomorrow's leading stars. We hope this exploration helps you see the stars in the making in your life and maybe even recognize one in yourself. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to bringing you more insightful content.